Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the crisper cover glass in this KitchenAid refrigerator, open both crisper drawers, reach in, and push the old glass up and forward from underneath. You can now close the drawers and fully remove the old glass. To install the new crisper cover glass, carefully insert it in the space between the platter shelf and crisper cover and push back until the glass is fully seated in the cover.